Look at this is Chikmagalur. You can see real beauty. Nothing is more beautiful than this. Very beautiful place. I have never seen my whole life. I have never seen this place in my whole life. Such a beautiful place. So this is the basic difference when you are living in a urban area, earning lots of money, lots of bucks, and when you compare your life with the, I can't say rural, but the real natural life. You cannot compare it. You may earn many, like lots of bucks, lakhs, crores of rupees, but when I see this, when you see this, I think nothing is more beautiful than this. Very beautiful. So be natural, be connected to the nature, environment. More than environment, nothing is beautiful in this world. So protect environment, save nature, save earth, and I can't say reduce the pollution. Don't do the pollution. Thank you.